And if you ever heard me, I can always type into the chat what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay. So, do something.
Can you give me a link to your Cloud9 environment?
What I'm going to do is I'm logging in. I have a couple different computer setups, and I only have my laptop has a camera, but my desktop does not. So I was working in my desktop, but I'm now on my laptop.
So I don't get it. Do you have a Cloud9?
Yes, yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm looking in on my laptop.
There should be no reason because this is a cloud environment.
You have to log in for whatever PC you're using.
I see.
And so now what I'm going to do on here is start screen share. So now you should, on the Hangout, you should be able to see my.
I see it.
Okay. So the first I had was that tell you to fork the repo, the homework dash Sinatra dash. And when you do that, it already steps done for you. If you notice that, like when you go into, already has a gem file made, and it looks like the app is already mostly made. So when you did this, did you start working from this template?
No, I started to work from, if you take a look at the leaf folder, no, in the same directory, you will see the leaf folder, yes. And there will be two files. You need, yes, this one.
This one?
Yes, this one. This actually contains the core logic, so-called business logic of your application. They in if you read the documentation in the README file, so where you the GitHub page where you cloned this current homework, you should see the full description of what you're supposed to do with this homework.
Yeah.
Have you read it?
I went through it when I was off for hair programming. I'm making my way through it right now. I am with this. I was just at the require Sinatra class my app, that part. No. Right. Like.
Oh my gosh, I really only hear only part of what you say.
Oh, it's annoying.
Yes. It forced me to make a guess as what you really said.
No, I apologize. I don't know what's wrong on my end.
Do you hear me clear enough? So what I'm saying, you almost hear it.
100%. That's really weird. I don't know if there's something that I can hit, or I don't know. Just keep it. I don't know. That's my app. So let's. So.
When you went through the instructions? No, I didn't. I used it what they provided to me.
Okay.
I don't think you don't have to You don't have to go do all the stuff from the scratch.
Okay. So I'll go to part 1.
Uh-huh.
I see it now.
Oh, yeah. You mean part 0 or part 1? In part 0, yes, you actually have to start create the Hello World version of the Sinatra app. Are you talking about
I
this?
see that. Yep. I see that.
I see. Mm-hmm.
But it's not really part of it, so I can just skip to homework 1. I already have it cloned. Here it is. So I can this. Sure, yeah, save that. I'll come back to that. Goals. Use tester note based on tests provided logic.
Please grant me a editing rights at the right. You see tab collaborate, and you see a red mark with 1. Click on it.
Yep.
Yes, and click the green button. Mm-hmm. This allows me to make some changes to the environment itself, to the code.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
It says CD. So run auto tests. This file would be auto test framework. Plus spec and the corresponding class files in lib. Okay. We find a set of 18 test cases have been developed in game class. Take a look at game. This would be game.rb. Okay. Def guess syllabus. Guess. So the way this works then is describe hang person. And so that needs to be a to have it here, hang person game. Yeah. This is a trick etc. here to make the test and spec hang person game to spec S. Def initialized word, celta or P. So do you think this get random word?
You mean this method get random word? What it does?
Yeah. Do you imagine that already works?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I already tried.
Describe new.
Actually, you can try it on your own. If you have, if you use in Linux environment, you should have the curl, which is a command line tool, and you can use it to sort of generate the necessary request, and you will see if you try it multiple times, you will see that you will get the random word each time.
Oh, that's pretty cool. If you're in Cloud9, how can you open up a second bash? Oh, there we go. New terminal.
Uh-huh.
Oh, curl. Whoa. Take the whole page down.
Yes.
Do you see that?
This is not. Yes, I see it. This is not how it should work. I think the request itself should be constructed in some other way.
So interesting though. Okay. So
Give me a second. I need to find. I think I saw the example how we can use the curl to get a random word from the service. I just need to find it. Try this. Just copy the whole what I send you.
underlay.
Try again.
Sensible.
You see.
Yeah, very good.
So now we can be sure that
that command.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Wait a second. I will send you a link. Have you actually read the documentation below? At the top you see the coded cell, but below you will see a lot of text which describes what you're supposed to do and very sort of neat tricks and some really helpful information for you. Have you read it?
Yeah. So here, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I think where you can get valuation in mind and working on it, because then you can maybe see a different thought process. Initial, I don't think it really adds any value to you. So, minutes the next couple hours, I'll just hit you back up on in case you're still around, and then maybe we can work back together. Okay, Nikito.
Yes, could you say it one more time? Really, I only heard three words of what you said.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
I think I need to read more through the documentation, and I know what the solution is going to look like. And then once I am at stage, I think then you and add value. But up until that point, I don't think I'm really going to add any value. A different solution or a novel way to approach the problem. So what I do is disconnect and go through and read this, and then before I'm going to hit you back up on Getter and see if you're still. Is that okay?
Yes, that sounds okay. What time is it now for you?
Right now it's 10:45 a.m. What time is it for you?
21, almost 10 p.m.
Almost 10 p.m.
Yes.
Oh, up then I understand. I don't know. Maybe if you'll still be up. Okay.
Yes, sounds good. Just send me a few strokes in the guitar, and we will set what time is comfortable for both of us, and we can agree upon time there.
Okay, sounds good.
So bye. See you later.
Okay, later. Bye.